Today on Unpacked, we are gonna see if we can't Humpty Dumpty this category. And today on Unpacked, we're gonna shell shock. Today on Unpacked, my puns aren't working. We've seen a few instances, and we've got another one that we'll show you in a future video, of companies that are really trying to scramble the egg carton industry. See, I knew I had another one in there. And we are wanted to highlight them and just kind of talk about what are they doing well, what might be a struggle, what's different. So we have this brand here, Helpful Hens, and they have taken what looks like a pretty traditional egg carton, and instead of being completely out of paper pulp, they have turned the top into a paperboard tray. I mean, at first glance, they've done a really great job of standing out on shelf, and we'll put a picture in the comments below or something of some of the other colors, because they've got some really cool colors and lids that call out some different eggs. But beautiful graphics, really fun, playful, definitely stands out on shelf from your traditional kind of egg carton. And the printing, there's some people that are using digital printing kind of on the tops. There's some people obviously that are using a traditional, I think it's a flexo process, but not usually the sexiest graphics on an egg carton. And so to get around that, they've created these paperboard kind of lids that they're printing offline, assembling, and then gluing to a pulp tray. So you see they left this really just a flap here on the top. They didn't mold in the lid. And yeah, like really cool way to kind of plus up a traditional egg tray. You know, you probably lose a little bit of protection from the top if these get inverted. Not highly likely. But they've actually added a lot of costs, I would assume, to this, because they've got this beautiful 4-color inside and out printed. I'll have you know that inside here they have the this kind of story, more information, nutrition facts, everything that's printed on the inside of this lid. I think they did a beautiful job. I have to imagine that they have spent additional money doing this work and you know, assembling two pieces instead of coming out of the gate with one, just printing on the top and going. But really cool way to kind of take a traditional package and plus it up. And so, yeah, I'm impressed with what they've done. Obviously, it's still all recyclable within the paper stream. And man, they've just been able to jam so much more on this graphically and messaging wise. Love to hear your comments below on what this brand is doing, and if you've seen some other cool egg stuff out there, because there's some neat stuff in this industry that has come to, it's coming up. So yeah, hit us up in the comments below, let us know your thoughts, and thanks for watching Unpacked. Now this was some excellent packaging.